Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can send stickers on the WhatsApp application. So it's very easy, and there is no need to download any further application or any other app or nothing. Directly in WhatsApp we can do that. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app. Okay, for example, if this is your friend and you want to send stickers to this friend, just click on this emoji symbol here. See here, and if you see at the bottom here, the third option, which is stickers. See here, just beside the GIF you can see the stickers symbols here. So if you didn't find the stickers, you need to update your WhatsApp application. Just go to Play Store and update it. So just you need to click on this, and here you can see the plus symbol here. So to have the more stickers, initially there won't be any stickers, so you need to click on this plus symbol. So these are the stickers. You can download this. You can click on the download symbol and that's get downloaded. So I downloaded these three. So these three will be available. See here, I go to back. See here, I just downloaded this, so I can send these stickers now. Okay, now I can send these stickers. See here, and I'll change it. These are the ones I have just downloaded. So if you want more, just click on the plus symbol and you can download them. So this is how simple you can send the stickers on the WhatsApp. And if you want to delete your stickers, you can delete. These are once downloaded, but there is no problem if you keep them also. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.